it looks quiet, the surface is still. But deep underwater, the ground starts to shift. Two plates in the earth slowly push and collide, then suddenly slip with a powerful slide. This movement is called an earthquake below. It sends energy racing through water like a glow. The ocean above gets a sudden big lift. Water is pushed in a fast upward shift. Waves start spreading in every direction, carrying force with incredible motion. Out in deep oceans, the waves stay low. They travel fast up to plains as they go. Hundreds of kilometers in just 1 hour. Quiet but packed with enormous power. As waves reach shores, the water gets shallow. The speed slows down, but the height will grow. The wave rises taller, building up strong, turning to something that won't stay calm. Water rushes inland, covering the ground. Cars, trees, and buildings can be pushed around. It's not just one wave, it can come in a set, with the biggest one often not there yet. If the ocean pulls back far from the shore, exposing the seabed like never before, that's a big warning. Don't stay to see, move to high ground immediately. Scientists study the earth and the sea, using sensors to warn communities. Tsunami alerts help people prepare, so they can stay safe and get out of there. The ocean is powerful, wild and wide, but learning the science helps us decide to listen, act fast, and understand why. So we stay safe when big waves rise.
Hey STEM explorers, Sparky here. Let's check what you learned about tsunamis. Question 1. What causes most tsunamis? Answer: underwater earthquakes. Question 2. Do tsunamis travel slow or fast in deep ocean? Answer: super fast. Question 3. What's a big warning sign at the beach? Answer: water suddenly pulling back. And remember, if you ever see the ocean pull back, move to high ground right away. Want to learn more amazing science? Subscribe and keep exploring with me. Sparky.